facing a crisis as world leaders gather in Seville, Spain, for the 4th International Conference on Financing for Development. Over 50 heads of state, including French President Emmanuel Macron and UN Secretary-General Antonio Guterres, are attending the event aimed at addressing pressing challenges in global development. However, there's a notable absence. The United States, a key pillar of international aid, is not participating. This absence has cast a shadow over the summit, highlighting a broader issue: the erosion of international funding for vital development programs. The US, along with other Western countries like Germany and the United Kingdom, have scaled back aid in favour of competing priorities such as defence spending, at a time when global poverty, hunger and climate change are reaching critical levels. The conference is set to renew the 2015 framework for financing development and to reinforce the importance of multilateralism. Spanish Prime Minister Pedro Sánchez, hosting the event, called it a call to action for the international community to act boldly in the face of growing geopolitical challenges. We once again move over to the Indo-Pacific, where the Dalai Lama is preparing to address a major gathering of Buddhist religious figures ahead of his 90th birthday this week, with many hoping for clues about his successor. The Tibetan spiritual leader has long stated that his next incarnation will be born outside China and potentially in India. This is a direct challenge to Beijing, which asserts its right to choose the Dalai Lama's successor. Tibet's religious and political figures are eager for the Dalai Lama to clarify his succession plan, emphasizing its importance for the survival of Tibetan culture and religion. The Dalai Lama, who has lived in exile since fleeing Tibet in 1959, has already separated his spiritual role from political leadership, handing over the latter to a democratically elected government. In a sharp